Alrighty guys on YouTube, so today we got another viewer request and this is this DMBL ceiling fan today and so what I'm going to do is today I'm going to run this on all the speeds that it's got. So this one is a 5 speed 1960s version, and literally when this thing is on full blast, even on 3, it's like a helicopter. I do apologize for the camera angle because I tried to put it on the ground here, but as you can see there's a bed in the way, and I tried to get the main camera angle, but all you can see is just this little hub here. And that's actually the motor inside here. The start cap's actually up here for those of you who aren't familiar with these sort of fans. And oh sugar, it's a DEMC. I always get confused with this fan because we also got a DMBL fan in here as well, but this one's the DEMC fan, made in 1960s. So I guess in a way we'll just start off on low and go up the speed. I'll try and get under the fan if I can, but other than that, let's get started. So we're on low at the moment, which is 5. I have to walk away because then all the dog hair comes flying. Oh, that stupid camera. This is the only thing that frustrates me with this camera. It always cuts things out. Oh, there goes the dog hair. I must say, even just on low, I mean, that's a pretty steady breeze for a 60s fan. Alright, so this is medium low, which is 4. Breeze is roughly 50-50. Alright, so this is medium, which is 3. Oh, that's chilly. Oh, got dog hair flying about. Where's a broom when you need one? And this is medium high. Oh, I got the 5-bit going again. Oh well. And this one is high, which is on this one is number 1. It is a bit noisy due to the fan being a bit off balance. Whoa! And there goes the... I don't know if you guys can see, but all the dog hair is just like swirling around here. Oh, that's nice. Let's see if I can try and get a bit of a under view for high, because it's very hard to adjust this camera. So under here, it's got a pretty decent breeze in a way. I'll try to record and get the sound at the same time. So so that's the DMC for you. I try and get some of my other ones, including the hunters that I have downstairs. So I'll just turn it off if some of you guys like to watch these things fall down. FYI, the rest of this video is just going to be this fan spooling down, and it takes forever to spool down. Ah, my dog's chasing the mailman again. great. Ow. Stupid blinds. Don't mind me, I just bumped my arm on the blinds. I hate these stupid things. What's even the point of them? I mean, that's the cupboard you guys are hearing because I got some stuff in there that's now covered in dog hair. Alright, so now it's finally come to a stop. Oh, that's warm. Now I've had it running before the video and stuff, so the motor is a little bit warm. And I might actually get the balancing kits on here because this bit up here is a little loose, as you can see. It's meant to be a little bit loose, but one of the blades is off balance on this side. Thank you. But in a way, please feel free to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And feel free to comment, as we love feedback and stuff. I've got some more of these ones in my house somewhere. Got a few Hunter ones. I hope they work because they haven't been used in ages since it's winter. And thank you so much for watching, and hope you guys have a great, fantastic day. See you, everyone.